Namaste students. Today's concept is computational thinking for grade 6. Chapter 1, Patterns in Mathematics continued. And the first question for the day is, as on the screen, what will come in place of question mark in the given series? So let's understand the pattern first. As you see here, we have multiples of 3, which is 3 times 1, 3 times 5 is 15. So the next number, obviously, that would be 3 times 6, which is 18. And as you see, we have 3 18s. So let's understand the next given pattern. Here, as you see, we have 4, 5, 7, 10, 14, which is 4 plus 1 gives me 5. And 5 plus 2 gives me 7. Then obviously 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 4 gives me 14. So 14 plus 5, which is going to be 19. So the top number is 18 and the bottom number is 19. So still we are left with two options. Let's narrow the options now. 18, 19. So let's check the middle numbers. Here as I see 3 plus 4 gives me 7, 6 plus 5 gives me 11, 9 plus 7 gives me 16. So 18 plus 19 obviously is going to be 37, and the option C would be the right answer. Hope you understood. Let's move on to the next question. Here we go with the next question. The first 5 terms of a series formed using gray hexagons and white diamonds are given below. If the same pattern continues, how many diamonds will be present in the term where number of hexagons is 1, 4, 4? Okay, let's understand the pattern here. Here we have 1 hexagon. Here we have 4 hexagon. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hexagon. And obviously this would be 16, 25 hexagons. Okay. If there are 25 hexagons, let's count the diamonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 diamonds. Okay, 25 hexagon, then 16 diamonds. Your 16 hexagon, then we have 9 diamonds. And here we have 9 hexagon and 4 diamonds. And here we have 4 hexagon and 1 diamond. Okay, I believe I found the pattern here. So if it's 4, okay, then 1 diamond, which is the previous square number. 9, if it's 9, and diamond is the previous square number, that's 4. As you see, 16 hexagons and diamond is previous hexagon, that is the perfect square. So 25, the previous square number is 16. Great. So as they have given 144 hexagons, the previous square number, perfect square number, obviously it's going to be 121. As 144 is 12 square, then 11 square is nothing but 121 diamonds will be present in the given pattern if the pattern continues. So I go with option C, 121 diamonds. The question is how many diamonds will be present in the term where number of hexagons is 144. That would be 121. Moving to the next question. Given below are two sets of numbers P and Q. Which number from set P can be interchanged with a number from set Q such that both the new sets follow a particular series or pattern? Okay, let's understand the pattern in P. We have 18, okay, then we have 22, 24, 27, 30. Okay, but I don't find any pattern. Let's read it once again. 18. Is that okay if I write it as 6 times 3? Okay. And 24, I guess it's gonna be 8 times 3. 27 is 9 times 3. 30 is 10 times 3. Obviously, here I guess the gap to be filled with 7 times 3, which is 21. Okay, so I believe you understood the concept. 22 to be replaced, then I go with option C. But still, they have asked us to check that both set P and Q both follow a particular series or pattern. Okay, okay, 22 is the right answer for now. Let's check what number to be replaced there. Obviously 21, right? So let's remove 21 and give it back. Let's swap with P. So we have 22, 24, 27, 31, 36 are the numbers in set Q. So 22 plus 2 we get 24, 24 plus 3 we have 27, 27 plus 4 31, 31 plus 5 36. Yeah, great. So that gives the new pattern. So 22 is the actual number in P to be replaced. Okay, moving to the next question. The first three terms of a series of circles are below. If the pattern continues in the same manner, how many circles will be there in term 91? Great. Let's check what is this. The first term, we have 4 circles. Second term, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And the third one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The third one, we have 8. Okay. So how many circles will be there in 91? Term 91, the 91st term. For that, let's understand the pattern. This is actually, here it is first term. So let's go with 2 times 2, and here it is second term 3 times 2, and here it's third term, it's 4 times 2. Okay, okay, I guess you got the pattern. Since here the first term, okay, first term it's like 1 plus 1 into 2, and second term, so it's 2 plus 1 into 2, and fourth term is obviously 3 plus 1 into 2. So they have asked us to 91st term. 91st term. So if you want the 91st term, add 1 to that. That becomes 92. Multiply it with 2. So the answer gonna be 184, which is option A. I hope you understood the concept. First term, we have 2 times 2. Second term, we have 3 times 2. Third term, we have 4 times 2. That's one more than the term 4. Okay, So 91st term means one more than 91st. That means 91 plus 1, which is 92 times 2, the common number in all given terms. And that's how we have 184. Great. Moving on to the next question. A pyramid has to be formed by combining cubes. Every level will have two fewer cubes than the level below it. If a pyramid is formed using at most 30 cubes, what is the maximum number of levels it can have? Okay, since let me take first cube, then let's have two more cubes down there, then three more cubes here, and let me say four cubes here, and five cubes here. One, two, three, four, five cubes here. So let's check how many cubes I have used here. It's like one, two, three, that's six, 10, 15 cubes are being used. And next, if in case I take six cubes, if I take six cubes, that's gonna be 10, and here it's another 10, 21 cubes are used. And next will be 7, isn't it? So that's gonna be 28. Two more cubes will be left. Okay, will that be okay with this? How many levels I have come out with is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cubes. But if a pyramid is formed using at most 30 cubes, max to max 30 cubes, how many layers can that be formed? That's a question, I guess. A pyramid has to be formed combining cubes. Every level will have. Okay, they have mentioned that two fewer cubes than the level below it. Great. So if it is one cube, then I will have three cubes in the next level because two fewer cubes. Then I have one, two, three, four, five. So first one is one, the next is three, the next is five. Obviously that's gonna be odd numbers. Seven, then it's gonna be nine. So here I have completed 10. 25 cubes are done. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 levels. So I go with option C, 5 levels can be formed. I hope you understood, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By now we have done with 25 blocks. Great. Moving on to the next question. You must shoot exactly one item from each box to eliminate it from its box. Okay, let me shoot taka taka taka. Let me shoot this. Then that gets eliminated. Okay, let us read the complete question. When an item is shot, the same item in the adjacent box is also eliminated. Okay, if in case I shoot triangle here, the adjacent box, the triangle disappears there. Great. Okay, what is the maximum number of items that can be eliminated after all three shots? Great, good one. Okay, that means we have three chances. We need to remove as many as shapes possible. In that case, I'm not going to shoot in the first box. Instead, let me shoot in the middle one so that my left is also adjacent and the right is also adjacent. So I believe I can shoot the triangle first because I see triangle in the first box at the same time in the second box. So in one shot, I eliminate three shades. Great. Then the second shot, where shall I choose? Either box A, B, C. Okay, in that case, let me shoot in the box B itself. I shoot this so that This 2 gets eliminated. So in the second shot, almost 5 items gone, 3 triangles gone, and 2 arrow marks gone. Okay, so what's the left? One more shot is left. Where shall I shoot? Where shall I shoot? Wait a minute. You comment the answer and we'll meet you in the next session with the solution. Thank you.